How to post a snap without it saying from camera roll or how to fake a live snap. Hello guys and welcome to our channel. So in order to do this, we just have to click on the search bar. So click on the search bar, which is in the left top corner, and then from here search for camera roll and then click on the first option. Then go ahead and choose your photo that you want to upload. So I will choose this one and then click on this button right here. You can now decorate your snap and then from here click on send to, and I will choose to set it to my story. So I will go ahead and do that, click OK and then click send. It's now sending and add it to story. So now let's go back and see our story. So as you can see, it says 12 seconds ago. It's not saying that it is from the camera roll. And I did this photo a few days ago, but in Snapchat, it looks like it's a live snap. So yeah guys, thank you so much for watching. I hope you liked this video and I hope it was helpful for you. If it was, you can smash that like button and you can also subscribe to our channel. Thank you so much for watching. Have a great day. Bye bye.